What's up guys, Roll here with Hugo Tech, and premium smartphone brand TECNO Mobile has officially announced a partnership between its POVA gaming phone series and popular multiplayer online battle arena Mobile Legends Bang Bang. The collaboration was conceived with the gaming community in mind, particularly in the Philippines, where MLBB continues to be one of the top mobile multiplayer games. With the slogan #WeAchieveMore, the POVA x MLBB partnership celebrates camaraderie among players and the ability of teams to overcome odds and obstacles as long as they work together. We got our hands on their newest gaming smartphone, the TECNO POVA 2, so without any further ado, let's see what's inside the box and know our initial thoughts about it. The box is pretty eye-catching with its iridescent design, and lifting up the lid, we have the phone itself. Below that is a user manual, a free jelly case, charging adapter, USB Type-C cable, earphones, and a SIM ejector tool. Now let's talk about the design. Looking at the POVA 2, the first thing you'll notice is its size. It has a large screen and slim body. The back has a matte textured finish, and the unit we have is in the polar silver. Also at the back we'll find its quad camera setup, and its quad flash plays on the upper left side. In the hands, it is somewhat lightweight given its pretty sizable size and battery. It is also comfortable to hold thanks to its curved sides at the back. On the side we have the volume buttons and the power button that also serves as a fingerprint scanner, while on the left is a dual nano SIM card tray with a dedicated microSD card slot that is expandable up to 256 gigs. Down at the bottom are the primary microphone, Type-C port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. For the display, we have a 6.9-inch FHD.IPS LCD panel. There's no glass protection mentioned, but it's got a plastic screen protector pre-installed, which is nice. We have a dot notch on the device's upper center that houses the 8-megapixel selfie camera. The bezels are thin, while the chin is quite thick. We enjoyed watching videos on this device because of how big the display is. It has excellent viewing angles, the colors are vibrant, and the brightness is pretty good too. Running the POVA 2 is a MediaTek Helio G85 chipset with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. For the battery, it's got a massive 7000 mAh capacity with 18W flash charge, which can last you up to 2 to 3 days of casual use. This is perfect for people who always keep their phones on, binge watching your favorite series or movies, and non-stop casual gaming. So we tried playing high graphic intensive games and it didn't disappoint. POVA 2 provides a smooth gaming experience like no other. Powered by a game engine that boosts your ability to win, this gameplay enhancer helps to improve a player's game skills, allowing even no voices become gods in the game. Now for software, we get Android 11, so scrolling through the phone feels smooth, and as you look through the apps, it has pre-installed apps that we're going to use. Now for cameras, the POVA 2 comes with an AI quad camera consisting of a 48-megapixel main camera, 2-megapixel portrait, 2-megapixel macro, and QVGA AI lens. For selfies, we have an 8-megapixel dot-in selfie camera and dual front flash. Check out the sample shots that we got so far. The TECNO Mobile POVA 2 comes at an affordable price of 7,990 pesos. This is one of the most affordable smartphones that can handle your gaming play and can make the most out of it. Pre-order your new POVA 2 from TECNO Mobile's online stores to score exclusive deals and freebies. Buy from the TECNO Mobile PH official store in Shopee Mall and get a free Mobile Legends game skin plus a wireless Bluetooth earphones with mic. And when you shop at TECNO Mobile's flagship store in Lazada, you will get a free Mobile Legends game skin plus a wireless earpods. You may also shop at participating stores to get free Mobile Legends game skin and other dealer freebies. That's it for this video guys. Let us know what you think about the TECNO Mobile POVA 2 in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon to not miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit hugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Narelle, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.